Now, moving on to the next step of what exactly is this? These prices, as we've discussed, are the aggregated prices happening worldwide put together. Now, why are they moving up and down? That is trillions of reasons why it's moving up and down. The slightest shift in like an order is happening in like Dubai could like change the entire framework of the market that day and cause this huge plummet. There's a book called Market Wizards. If you read Market Wizards, it's free PDF. It's very interesting. In the very opening, the hedge fund manager went to the market maker, because market maker is a job. It's a job. They take the orders that are being funneled into the exchange and they deliver them to the clients, and that's how the lines are moving up and down fundamentally. So the hedge fund manager went to the market maker and said, "Oh my God, I want to trade on your exchange, blah, blah, blah." And he was being very arrogant because he's made high returns in the past few years. And the market maker just pushed one button and the whole market dropped like 100 points. And the hedge fund manager was like, "Oh my God, what about my strategy? Everything failed. I lost all my money." And the market maker laughed at him. He's like, "Cuz your strategy doesn't mean anything. The market can move for literally no reason." Now, back to the candlesticks. You can see this is shooting up one by one. It moved up 10 points, so it formed this candle. It's very simple to see. It shot up 10 points from right around here up to like here, formed this green candle, and now it's moving one by one. Every time it moves 1 point, it'll move 1 point. Now it's reversing slightly, and it'll reverse back down to red maybe and go down, or not, and it'll just continue up on a trend. Every 1 point here, 82, 80, 81, 82, is 1 point here. 1, 1, 1. These are all moving at the rate of 1 point displacement. What does that do? It gives you a linear moving trend instead of a random moving statistical mess. And you may have seen a lot of trading charts on the internet that look very messy. Trading indicator mean. So you'll see like often charts look like this. "Oh yeah, I found the bottom. Can you see it?" Or indicators, add clarity to your chart analysis. Or this guy, he's my favorite. He's everyone. And that's how my trading indicator works.